Hello, Mark. Thank you so much for applying for the 3 free articles. I'm going to go ahead and generate your article titles live into 300 to 500 word blog posts, and I'll also leave a link. I think you've already actually signed up to this or applied for the free trial anyway, which is the link that I provided for you earlier on in the form. So yeah, just go try it out. But I'm going to show you how to do this. So we're going to head over to One Shot Blog Post, and I use this tool every single day, so I'll clear out this information in a second. We're going to go ahead and grab your first article title and paste it in here. Now, the more information you can give this little box, which you can give up to 800 characters of information, the better the output will be, but this is sometimes just good enough. We're going to keep the tone of voice informative, and the intended audience is going to be gamers, okay? Now, you can choose your output language. I'm going to leave it with English British, and we're going to do generate AI content. Now, one important thing is when using a tool like this, you want to apply the 80-20 rule, which is 80% of the heavy lifting, which is all the writing, should be done by the software, and 20% should be you factually, the human, factually checking everything and making sure it reads well and just taking out any errors that it might come up with, because sometimes it happens. It's just one of those things. Just like humans, I guess, we there's errors always prone. Okay, so here's the first article. So the blog title, the 5 best gamer products. We've then got an introduction. Then we've got the blog body. So it's done numbers. So a gaming console, a gaming PC, a good pair of headphones, a comfortable chair, a Netflix subscription. Okay, might have added some humor there, and then a conclusion. Now, before we generate the other 2 articles, I want to show you how you can actually expand your articles if this isn't enough for you. So by clicking the Open in Documents button, will take you to the long form editor. And inside the long form editor, you can then start writing more. So you have an option. You can, on your keyboard, press Control J, which is the shortcut for compose, which is the compose button here. So if I click that, it's going to read the information above and do its best to expand on, this information. Okay. So I'm going to hit compose. Okay, and then it started doing it. Now, unfortunately, it's actually not. It's already come up with a good gaming chair. Okay, so sometimes if you give it a little bit of direction, you can kind of prompt it to say, "Hey, keep writing about this." So it mentions the PlayStation 4. So what you can do is say the PlayStation 4 is, and then just do the compose button, and it will understand that, and it should keep on writing about the PlayStation 4. It's a great console for beginners, as it has a diverse range of games, etc., etc. Now, what you can also do is it's also command based, which means that you can say, hey, these are all the templates you can utilize. So I want you to reference one of these templates. So an example of that is, let's say you wanted to try the listicle template. You can tell the software, write a listicle from the information above, and then press Control and Enter, and it's understanding this command. And there you have it. It's created a listicle of kind of what it's kind of summarizing a listicle, this information here. Okay. So very cool, very simple to use, and very, very powerful. Now, if we go back to the templates and then one blog shot, we're going to grab the second article. And don't worry, I'm going to put all of these articles into a document for you so you can download it. So I'm going to paste this in and do generate. Now I've just noticed there's actually a quotation mark there. I should have really removed that, but we'll see what it does. Okay, so it's kind of gotten rid of it. So blog title: Elite Black Market, your one-stop shop for the best high-tech electronics. And then it's broken it down into the introduction. Then you've got the blog body, which is an extensive selection of products, the best prices around, superior customer service, and conclusion. So what it's probably done there is it's probably looked at any reviews online and looked at the actual website in its own right with the brand, or the website relating with the biggest brand, and it's taken information and use that information to form its text and to do its best to understand. And again, the more information you put here, the better quality the output will be. So let's go ahead and do question 3, the benefits of gadgets. So we're going to do generate. And this usually takes up to about 30 seconds to generate the 300 to 500 word articles. Okay, and there we have it. We've got the benefits of gadgets. Gadgets are becoming more and more popular. Blog body, organization and productivity, entertainment and connectivity, and conclusion. Okay, so very simple to use. I do hope you've enjoyed this quick, brief demo, and and if you've not yet subscribed to the plan, I know you've created your free account. I strongly recommend the boss mode. This is what you've just witnessed here today, purely because it gives you the most flexibility of writing.